Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Dart in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Locate the small shift lock release access cover near your gear selector. You'll need a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to access the release mechanism. This process is crucial for moving your car if the battery is dead or there's a transmission issue. Once you've found the access cover, gently pry it open. It's usually a small, rectangular piece. With the cover removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert your tool like a screwdriver into this slot. While pressing the brake pedal, push down on the tool. This action manually overrides the shift lock mechanism, allowing you to move the gear selector. With the tool holding the shift lock release down, you can now move the gear selector. Carefully shift the lever from park into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Double-check your dashboard display to confirm that N for neutral is illuminated. Once confirmed, you can remove your tool. The car should now be in neutral, ready to be moved. Remember, this procedure is for emergencies. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before attempting to put the car in neutral, especially if the engine is off. If you're on an incline, have someone assist you to prevent the car from rolling unexpectedly. If you frequently need to use this method, it indicates a potential issue that requires professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.